Welcome back, my lovely ladies, and here is that highly requested video of how I curl my hair. So let's get right into it. I'm showing you guys here my haircut. I have 3 layers, and this haircut is pretty essential in terms of, getting that full overall look. So I usually do this at night after I take a shower. I'll go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner, the good stuff. This stuff is good, let me tell you about it. I'll just go ahead and rub it into my ends, never the scalp, just the ends. And it's really helped me with maintaining my hair healthy and helping fight against, those split ends. Up next, I'm gonna go ahead and detangle and evenly distribute the product with my wet and dry brush. I have really thick hair and I get pretty tangled hair sometimes, so this brush really helps me smooth out my hair without so much, pulling and tugging. This is my typical night routine. I'll go ahead and do all this, go to sleep, wake up with dry hair. But for the sake of this video and just, one take, I went ahead and blow dry my hair. This is a pretty old tool. It's my mom's. It's just what I have. So I went ahead and used it. And just like that, voila, dry hair. This is my natural hair. Of course, blow dried, but this is it. This is how my hair is. It's thick, it's frizzy, fuzzy, wuzzy, and we're gonna go ahead and fix it. Oh Lord Jesus, fix it. But this is the infamous wand. This is the wand, the very wand that I use to pull off this signature curled hair look. And so let's get started with that. Once again, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush my hair because it gets tangled by the minute. And I'm gonna go ahead and separate. I'm gonna section my hair up, half down, half up. As you guys can see, I have a lot of hair. And my hair is still a little bit humid, so it took way longer than expected. But I went ahead and cut this video up and just try to make it as short as possible. But this is basically what I do. You guys can just go ahead and observe how I section the pieces and how I just twist like the wand and just curl my hair. So I'll just leave you guys right to it. So here's a brief interruption because I've seen a couple girls make this mistake. They curl their right side, normal outward, and then they get to the left side, and instead of curling outward, they'll curl inward. And so then you have, your hair not matching on both sides. So if you catch yourself doing that, be sure not to, and make sure to curl outward on both sides. right here. Like, I'm just like, it feels like I'm finished, and then I let down that little section of hair, and look how much hair I have. It's insane. I mean, I'm grateful for my hair though, but it's work, y'all. It's work. Girls with a lot of hair will completely understand the struggle of this. Apologies in advance for the change of color in the video. The sun was covered by a cloud, and well, it affects the brightness and the color. Yay! I finished. What a relief. Trust me, guys, it's always a huge relief when I finish my hair. I'm gonna go ahead now and just do some touch-ups to any hair that fell apart, because there's still a little bit of moisture in my hair, so it will tend to happen, but I'll go ahead and retouch it. And to get that final full look, that fullness, that airy, bouncy, wavy look, I brush it out one more time, flip that hair, add some air in there, and voila, there it is. Bouncy, luscious, big poofy, wavy hair. This is my signature look. I love it. But thank you so much for watching, ladies. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a like. Thank you always for your love and support, and I pray that you have a blessed rest of your day.